Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to uninstall Valorant and uninstall Riot Games completely from your PC, and how to remove that Vanguard from your PC completely as well. So the first thing you want to do is close down Vanguard, and the way you do that is from this hidden icons drop down or drop up, and once you click on this and you'll see this symbol Riot Vanguard. Right click on it and then hit on exit Vanguard. This will turn off Vanguard. Basically you'll need to restart your PC if you ever want to restart it, so that's what it's saying. So I'll just hit yes. Once I do that, I will hit control panel. Basically I will search this and then I will look for uninstall programs and features, uninstall a program. Once I'm in this page, I will look for Valorant and related things. So first I'll see where is the Valorant. There it is. I think I saw, there it is, Riot Vanguard, and then there's Valorant over here. So first I'll right click and uninstall Valorant. Uninstalling. Done. And once it's done, you'll go to Riot Vanguard and click on uninstall. The record, it has already been uninstalled, but means basically it was uninstalled automatically. So after you have done that, what you want to do is search for Riot client and then head over to open file location, right click and then hit on open file location. Once again you'll see this Riot folder. What you want to do is go back 2 steps or 1 step. For me it was in games H, and you will delete this. I will click shift and then I'll hit the delete button, which will pop me up with this screen so that it permanently deletes itself. So I'll click on yes, and then there it is. This should do it. If I refresh 1 second, if I search for Riot, there should be nothing on this screen. I'll just click on uninstall this one more time over here just to be sure. And as you can see in this R section, there is nothing called Riot, and that is exactly how you can remove Riot Games Vanguard and Valorant from your PC. And thank you for watching everyone. Be sure to subscribe and make sure to send this tutorial to your friends and whoever needs it. Thank you for watching. Take care everybody.